Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to show you how to upload your unique sounds, packs, loops, stems on Wavswap. If you are planning to upload multiple files as an album, click on Make an Album. This way you will create a pack of sounds. Choose your files and then add an album or cover image. Fill out the essential details such as the album name. When you are ready, click Save. Congratulations, your sample pack or sound album is now live on Wavswap. You can copy the link provided and share it with your followers. Remember, when your followers follow you, they will receive a notification by mail on the platform whenever you upload new sounds. But wait, we are not done yet. There is one more step to optimize your sounds for discovery. Click on View, then click on the three dots located on the right side, and then select Edit. Now you can add import details for each sound, including the instrument you used, the key type, and BPM. These details help users find your sound more easily. After adding all the necessary information, click Save. And that's it. Repeat this process for all sounds. Now your sounds are not only uploaded, but are also optimized for discovery. If you have any questions or need help, don't hesitate to contact us at wavswap.com/contact.